Hailstorm, like golf ball size. It's big. Oh my goodness. Yan. And here. Look! It's big! Holy moly! Oh my goodness. That's a lot. Oh! It damaged my ano. Oh my goodness. Lots of big ice. And that's bad for the roof. It can destroy roof. Gosh. So this is the hailstorm damage. I left my dustpan outside, and then yeah, this morning I saw this broken. So it was terrifying because it's big. The hail size is like golf ball size, and we'll see another damage. Oh, my tomato. Oh, this one. This was yesterday from the hailstorm. Oh my goodness. And my onion. Oh, here's as well. This one, if you can see. And my green beans. Oh my goodness. Look. Oh my goodness. Look. Look. Hailstorm damage. Oh no. So guys, this is the other casualty damage from the hailstorm. It poked right through the cactus. And see, it's the hole. And then guys, we're hoping that there's no damage in our roof.